We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Probably the only opera based on tea, the Hakka tea-picking opera 采茶戏 dates back to around 1573. Originating from the Jiulong mountain area of southern Jiangxi province on the mainland, tea-picking opera is based on Hakka mountain songs. The Hakka people were great tea growers and spent most of their days in the mountains picking tea. They sang as they worked, calling to one another across the valleys. These popular melodies became tea-picking songs and dances, which evolved into three-part tea-picking operas known as 三角采茶戏. The three roles were two females and a clown, 二旦一丑, and the storyline almost always revolved around a particular sojourn by a man named Zhang Sanliang who set off from home to sell tea. The content of these three-part operas is playful and filled with flirtatious duets between the male and female roles. The focus on love and romance meant it was at one time banned by officials for being too prurient. Nowadays, it is recognized as an important part of Hakka culture, and efforts are being made to revive it. Hi folks, welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hey, Joseph Ling. And you know, Alice, I want to tell you this because last few weeks I actually went to 桃园 and 新竹，因为那个时候刚好是油桐花季。我去看了油桐花。See, there's this Tong Blossom Festival that happened across the island. I went to 新竹 and 桃园。
还有苗栗啦，
还有苗栗，苗栗新竹是最漂亮的，对不对？
东江哈，
东江啊，哎，那油桐花到底这个哈卡怎么说啊？
油桐花，
就蛮像的哈，油桐花，
油桐花。
Okay, that's the Tongue Flower Festival, which by the way is over by now already. So people have to go next year. 要到明年才能再去看了，对不对？
盲
年嘛。
我考你哈，记得明年要去看油桐花，怎么说？
记得明年要去看油桐花。
有的对，有的不对。再听一次哦，记得明年要去看油桐花。
記得愛去看油桐花。There you go. All right. Well, just remember to do that next year. It's really beautiful. The tongue blossom is very beautiful. It usually happens around April to May. And next year, do it early. It's all across the island in Hsinchu, Taoyuan, Miaoli, and other places too. So that's it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
是蒙太嘎。
俺只say 張磊了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.